How's it, guys? Cam here, and yeah, we are inside the cruiser. So yeah, no, a huge thank you must be given out to Venture 4x4. That was the smoothest, most pleasurable process in the world. So I literally walked in there one afternoon and said, Duard was right there at the front door, and I said, listen, I want to do a few mods. And he said, yeah, sure, come, let's sit down, let's pull the quote. He gave his expertise, and I obviously had some idea of what I also wanted, and it was just the smoothest process. So I just gotta say thank you for letting me record, thank you for letting me get stuck in there, and they were just amazing. So definitely huge shout out to them, Venture 4x4 and Nelspruit. If you live in Joburg, if you live in Limpopo, just head to them. So yeah, just a little rundown. Or not a little rundown, I just want to give you a quick idea of maybe what we might be about. For instance, this last week, we I don't know, didn't have much planned for the weekend, and we said, yeah, cool, let's go to the Kruger for a night. Struggled to get bookings, and eventually on like Wednesday they said, yeah, we've got a spot for you to camp. So we jumped at it, went down there, and yeah, got a spot there, Crocodile Bridge. It was a beautiful little rest camp, and yeah, I've got a few snippets I'll show you now. And yeah, it was just, so that's just, I think, what this channel is going to be about. It's going to be about spontaneity, it's going to be about Just a lot of fun with friends and family, but we will give a bit more background in the videos to come. So yeah, stay tuned, and thanks for watching.